When you think about writing, it is so frightening, it is so intimidating. But if you know the rules, writing is pretty simple. All you need to do is, you have to know all the tools of writing, I call. Or writing is just a craft, it is not an art, and it can be learned through using all the tools which I'm going to share today. And you can touch the people of life through writing. All the writers are doing that, so you have to make sure that you understand what it takes to be a good writer. So that was a little bit of background I wanted to give before we begin. And when it comes to writing, if you are not planning to write a book, if you are not planning to write a report or a proposal, no problem at all. If you want to write a good email, if you want to write a good message, these things will help you. So for example, I can take all the messages from WhatsApp group and I can tell you which are the wrong writings, to be honest with you. Some people are writing with the stars. I don't know whether they want to be sound, they are angry on us, or I don't know whether they don't know how to use pointers. Like somebody is using stars and somebody is not having correct format. So that's the reason I thought to, just walk through the tools whatever we have in writing. So if you refer the worksheet, which is the first worksheet, a punctuation pointers digest. Can somebody forward that to Kumar Gaurav? He is here for the first time, or maybe can somebody message in a group here actually in chat so that he can refer to that what we are talking about. One second. I can't hear. He can't hear it. Seems I don't know. Can you guys hear me? Okay.
Yeah, we can hear.
He's like he can't hear. Maybe because of his network problem. Maybe just a second. Okay, he is able to hear right now. Perfect. So she messaged this one, and one more is there, Pallavi. The worksheet.
Yeah, actually we can send only one file at a time.
Oh, interesting. Seriously, I can shoot two files from you, so he must be having. Can you see two files, Kumar Gaurav? Yes, no.
He can't hear you. Maybe he's having network issue.
Interesting. Then I don't know how to help him. No.
So he has messaged that he is not able to hear, listen.
I think he's having the same problem what other guys had, right? Uh, so I don't know like how I can help him, to be honest with you.
He has to log in again and has to uh, unmute himself. Call via internet.
Right, right, right.
Yeah, a ping is come on the screen. Call via internet. He has
Yes,
to touch that.
yes. Now I am hearing. What are you
Oh,
Yeah,
you
telling?
okay.
are. All right. Welcome, Kumar Gaurav. So, today we are going to work on those two worksheets which Pallavi sent it here. So can you see those?
Yes.
All right. So you can open the first one, and everybody can open the first one. So when it comes to writing, three, four things, like seven, you have seven tools, but we are not going to walk through all the seven in this meeting, to be honest with you. So we will be going through top three. So number one on my list is using the correct apostrophe. How many of you think you use correct apostrophe? Like, how many of you think like that? Okay. Okay, perfect. So, can anybody tell like what is the purpose of using apostrophe? I just want to hear from you. Maybe Dilip or Pallavi, why we use that? I mean, that is a punctuation mark. I know that, but why we use it? Anybody?
To make the
Mhm.
relationship.
To make the relationship good. Any other? Any other answer? If you have letters or numbers and if you want to omit, then you have to use apostrophe. That is one rule of it, right? The second rule is like, as Dilip has mentioned, if you have to describe relationship, right? Whose card is this? So either you can use the entire word, or either you can use the apostrophe, right? And we will see in like we have problem for that, how it works actually. And there are certain rules to it, like how to use it, and that is clearly given in my worksheet. So if you see the first rule, what does first rule tell, Asutosh, if you are referring to my sheet?
Yes.
Mhm.
Use apostrophe to show the possession with the singular nouns that don't end in s.
Mhm.
Add apostrophe s. Examples: farmer's salary.
Exactly. So any words which is singular noun, and if it is not ending with s, you can add s at the end. All right.
Yes.
So that is the rule number one. Rule number two is, if you have any proper noun, you can use if it is not ending with s, you can use s at the end. All right. That is rule number two. Let me know if you guys are able to follow, or if anybody has any questions, or if we are going too fast, right? As I told that this is not a very basic session, to be honest with you. That's what I told, like you have to go through it, do some research before you come here. So let me know if, is it okay or is it too much?
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay.
Okay. All right. What are the other rules? What are the other rules for apostrophe? Anybody? Like how you are using it, rather than learning the rules, how you are using it. Anybody can give
We
any examples? Mhm.
Yeah, I
exactly.
can
I'm
say.
not aware with the rules, but
Mhm.
we are reading so many books. We are
Right.
reading so many emails. That's
Right.
how we catch up. Okay, this is how we have to use apostrophe s in the sentence, and that's
Mhm.
how I am using personally. Is my because, but I'm not aware with the rules and the regulations before this
Good.
one, before this sit.
Okay. Again, second question.
Uh,
Why is it
Ajay,
so?
hello.
Mhm. Yes, Dilip.
Uh, what I know, there are two simple rules.
Mhm.
There are two simple rules.
Mhm.
One is that putting if the word is ending with s,
Mhm.
then put the inverted comma after s. If
Mhm.
the word is if the word is not ending with s, then
Mhm.
put the post office s completely.
So do you think that applies all the time, or
Yeah,
we
I can
have?
say. Uh,
Sorry, Kumar Gaurav was
Most
saying
of the
something.
time, but not all the time.
Yeah, with plural noun, we use
Mhm.
only apostrophe, not s, apostrophe s. Like children's school, the children's after s apostrophe, not s. It's a boys school, the boys के बाद apostrophe s. But when we use children, the only
Mhm.
children apostrophe school, children school. वो apostrophe s not apply.
Okay. What are the other rules? Anybody? Okay. So before you go deep dive, why you should not be using apostrophe when you are communicating with somebody? Like, what is the reason behind it? What is the reason of not?
Yeah, because most time
Uh-huh.
we are most of the time
Mm-hmm.
we are not concentrate on that particular words when we are reading something. Then apostrophe comes, so we understand, okay, this word should write like this. But whenever we are writing, then it's depend on sometime, because I also not aware about rules and regulation. Only whenever I am writing, okay, fine, if mother's in law's house, there was a one sentence. So
Mm-hmm.
that's depend on sentence to sentence. So we easily, I think, from starting when I started schools and started all these things. So from that is also, you can say, that is also inbuilt in my mind. We have to write this. We have to write. So I'm also not aware about rule and regulation. So for
Mm-hmm.
particular this and all.
All right.
So
Yeah.
Ajay, basic mistake which I have
And
found
Mhm.
in Dilip's speech, where he is using apostrophe s. It's a common example. We don't have to use post,
Mhm.
apostrophe in verbs. So Dilip will say it's, right,
Mhm.
and
Mhm.
whenever he writes its. So we need to remember that we cannot use apostrophe in a verb. We should always avoid that. This is the common mistake people do. Like its, but they are writing for making it better it apostrophe then
Apostrophe,
s.
yes.
Right.
Yeah. So
So,
whose r's we don't have to use.
okay.
No,
So
that
here,
that it has
And
got different meaning, right? It is the short form of it is. So whenever it is in your sentence, you can write it's with apostrophe, right? Because there are two different
Yeah.
things. It's without inverted.
Yeah. It is when you are writing it is, then we can use it
Yeah,
apostrophe s. When
yeah,
when we are not referring to it is, then we cannot write it.
all right.
yes,
It's
yeah. There are two different words. Yeah, it's
It's
with
that that's depend on sentence to sentence. We
So,
always not write it's.
right. Pallavi was saying something. Pallavi, you had something to
yeah,
add.
I think in the formal letters or the formal emails, wherever we write, like we are writing essays or some any kind of blog or whatever you are writing in a big way. So in that way, we do not use apostrophe because there are words like they are, they were. So what we will do, they apostrophe re. Shakti, please mute yourself.
Okay, so Pallavi, I think that was the answer I was looking for. So I am not sure how many of you have read my blog. I don't use a lot apostrophe. Reason being, in formal writing, if you are not very sure about the rules, try to refrain using it. It makes readers very confused. But when you are writing masses and you are pretty sure about the rules, then you can use it. So two rules, I think Dilip has mentioned it correctly. Most of the time it applies, but there are some certain exceptions to it. So which we will see in our next example. So for example, somebody has mentioned that if you have to specify a relationship, right? So let's say that you have Tom and Ram is using a single boat, correct? So what would be the apostrophe? So if you see the example, if two or more individual possesses a single item, then you have to add S to the last name. Can you see that example? Like it would be Tom and Dick's boat because it's one boat. They are uh, they are using one boat, so there you just have to use S at the last name, correct? If they have two or more items, then you can use S at each nouns. And by nouns, you mean like what we meant for, correct? So that is also again another rule. And there, I think one thing I liked really, which I would like to and try to use this one apostrophe whenever ownership is involved. So for example, I'm going on a vacation, right? It cannot be Ram's vacation, correct? Ram is going on a vacation, so it will not be a Ram vacation. You can't own a vacation, you can own a car, correct? So that would be one example where you can avoid using apostrophe. So that is also that is also a given in the C. And then you can use apostrophe to omit letters or number. So for example, summer of 2002. So there you can use it like summer of 02, right? So that is how you can omit all those four letters from the starting, correct? Any other place we can use apostrophe? Other than these, any other place we can use? So for example, you can write cannot or you can write can't, correct? So so that is also a rule. But again, these sounds very easy, but when you start writing, you'll be quite confused. So make sure that if you are confused, try to not use it. It's better to write the correct rather than writing the incorrect sentence. So that was the one. And then if you have to form some plurals, right, with abbreviation, correct? With if you are using any abbreviation, it's recommended not to use apostrophe. Any example? So for example, you cannot write CGI's AI, what is that in India? Airport Authority of India, right? AI rules. It should be AI rule, correct? So you make sure that you understand that, right? So that was the one thing, and like with sometimes if it is confused. Sorry. All right. So, guys, if you are, try to mute yourself if you are not speaking, so that we can avoid some noise. And then again, there are some nouns where you cannot use apostrophe. Can anybody tell where we cannot use? Like,
Yeah,
can you give some example of noun where you cannot use apostrophe? That would be.
yeah. I can say
Taj Mahal.
Others was he was saying something. Kumar Gaurav.
yeah. We can't use apostrophe with non-living thing,
With
like
non-living thing.
the color
Okay.
of flower, the
Mhm.
color of house, the color of anything. But we can't use with non-living thing.
Okay. How about pronouns? Can we use it with pronouns or not? Anybody?
No, we cannot use with pronoun.
All right.
Those
Anybody
are
else? Anybody
us,
else?
it's.
Sometimes we use for contactor just I am, so I apostrophe am. Sometimes we can use.
Okay. So can you give some example where you cannot use Kumar Gaurav?
Yeah, the non-living things that the color of flower,
Mm-hmm.
the color of sky. We can't say that sky
We are
color.
not.
We
We
can't use.
are not
We can't
asking
use.
about noun. We are asking pronoun actually.
The pronouns we are
Pronoun,
say,
I am telling for
I
pronoun
am,
like who,
I apostrophe
ours,
am. We can use for contacted form.
yours, his, hers, its,
Yeah.
Those.
theirs. These are all the pronoun where we cannot use pros.
Yeah. Why cannot we use that pronouns there? Like why we cannot use apostrophe there? Like what is the reason behind it?
Because it does not give complete meaning.
It does
Complete
not give
sense that
complete meaning. See, that's the answer. So for the possessive pronoun where relationship is clearly defined, you can use it, right? For example, Ridhima said son-in-law or daughter-in-law. There in compound words you can use it, but here, in example, something like next move is yours, correct? Not owning move. On move you don't have ownership, right? So there you cannot use it. Like I think Sakti has mentioned some example, he's, hers, he's, yours. So those are great example where you cannot use it. So that was the one thing. And whenever you are writing any formal emails, try to avoid using this apostrophe. I mean, they are not a part of formal writing. All right. And if you have any abbreviation, I said, like, if you have any abbreviation, try to not use apostrophe. But there are some abbreviation where you can use it. Anybody has any example? It's there in worksheet actually. Like, I'm not asking anything outside of the worksheet. Like the first sheet,
For credentialing, we mostly use apostrophe like MDs.
MDs.
And yes, and there are few more credentialing where we use like colonels.
Sure. So any abbreviation that is having periods in it, I hope you know what period is. So for example, MD, right? PhD. So those have periods in it. So there you can add a S. But thumb up the rule is don't try to add S in abbreviations, any apostrophe. All right. So that is again one rule, and so these were like couple of rules. There could be more rules to it. I mean, you got the gist of it. All right. So that is for apostrophe. Moving to the next topic, which is colon, right? How many of you think like you use correct colon, or you are missing that?
Yeah, me. I'm always confused with column, hyphen, where I have to put in mails. It's really difficult.
Anybody think like they are using correct colon?
I know
I think
some
I think.
in
Oh,
dialogue
you know,
conversation.
Yeah,
but
I know.
are you using it correctly? That's what I'm asking.
Yeah, I'm using.
You are using it. Okay.
Yeah, colon as well,
I am
semicolon.
using in only dialogue conversation.
You are using in dialogue and conversation. How about you, Sakti? Are you using it? Colon? I think that is the biggest mistake you're making. If not, then go and check the WhatsApp group in goals. So, for example, he's writing my today's goal, and then you are writing 1 hour reading, 1 hour writing, whatever. So, for example, when you say today's goal, right, and you have 3 goals, correct? So you have 3 important points. So you have to write today's goals and then colon, and then you have to write point number 1, point number 2, point number 3. Check your your study masses actually. Then you will understand what I mean. Like today's goal, probably not yesterday. Today's goal you can check. All right.
So Ajay, we are scripting. We are using colon in scripting, right, to end the line.
So this is like most people get it wrong, to be honest with you. So anybody quickly tell what is the rule or why we use colon? Anybody has any answer for it?
To make it sure that the meaning of that particular sentence is finished. Come to
Meaning of
next line.
that particular.
I'm not sure.
In graduation, I read a book and there was a conversation. So first written by Ram and anybody, Albert and any name. And after that, there is a column and then sentence. So
All right.
little bit I have remember. So
And
that is
to represent any kind of 2 independent clauses, we use colons.
2 independent clause. If you see my material over there, I have specified why we use colon. So the rule number 1 is when you have a list, right? When you write, you please find attached status here, and then you say like what you did. Point number 1, point number 2, point number 3. So that is where you are using colon, correct? That is one uses. It's there in seat. Refer the seat. You don't have to do anything. If you have to make a summary, right? Like when you are writing a summary, there you have to use colon. That is the second example. Third example, if you are quoting something, for example, Steve Jobs has said, you are using quotation of somebody which is very long. There you can use colon. Anybody has any examples for it? How we can use it? Like how we can use it in when we are quoting somebody. Anybody can answer, or let me know if a question is not clear itself. I can repeat it again.
Can I answer?
Yes, you can.
India has many greatest presidents, colon, K.R. Narayan, comma, APJ Abdul Kalam, and like so on, so on.
That's a good one. That's a good one. So there you are specifying a list, right? You are giving the list of president. So for example, one example could be recipe of paneer, right? And then you can write what are the recipes, correct? What are the recipes, like maybe black pepper and then cottage cheese, correct? And then you can write all the recipes. So there you are giving a list. And second example is you are giving a summary. And when you are writing colon, then somebody will get curious what you want to say, correct? Like what you want to say the next. For example, when you are writing, please find my goals for today. If you write colon, then people will understand, okay, you are going to specify all the goals, right? So that is a good example for using colon. All right. And any other example we can use colon? I think somebody has mentioned when we are
separate and subtitle.
Sorry.
We can separate title and subtitles. No? For that
Exactly.
we can use
True.
like when we are in our book club meeting,
right.
We have one book, and in that book we are going to read one chapter. So correct. We can separate book and chapter name both. That's where we can use. I guess
that you can use it, but I think hyphen would be better for that. That we can discuss later. So for example, okay. If some books are there, right? Atomic Habits, correct? Take example of Atomic Habits. That is a title. And what is the
Right.
subtitle for it? It's a book to help you with personality development, right? Building a
Right.
good habit. I think that's the tagline for that book. I have to see that.
Yes, building a
Tiny
good habit.
changes, yeah, tiny changes and remarkable habits. So you can write Atomic Habits, tiny changes, remarkable habits. You have examples in my seat also. You can refer
Yes,
that
yes.
actually. If you go to,
If we are something we are specifying, then we can use column, is it? For specification something, or we can say if something we are pointing out, then we
Right.
can use column.
Not necessarily, not all the time. If you are pointing out, you can point out some important points as well, right? Like something which
Like
is very
stars and all.
important, right? So there you can use, in fact, you can use the dash also, correct? Anybody can tell, answer Ridhima's question.
I think Ajay, the sentence before the colon and after the colon should be independently complete, because when the long you have highlighted a prerequisite for the course are. So that
Right.
why it is wrong, because that part is incomplete. In the last, in the sheet only, you have given this answer, that wrong. You highlighted.
Wrong, yes.
Sorry.
Don't press it, I'm-
Okay, I have to check that. Like I'm not getting the context of it.
And
Sorry.
Number 3.
Yeah. What is the number, Asutosh?
It's number 3.
Page number 3. Okay. So page number 3. What you are referring to, Pallavi? If you
Wrong. The first, second sentence only, the prerequisite for the course are, then you have put a colon, and after that you have written 2 years of history, sociology, and all. So what my question is, like, before the sentence, before colon and after the colon should be independently complete, like Atomic Habits, and then you have put colon and then you have written another sentence. And above examples also have, like, people have one thing in common, then
Right.
you have put colon, and then they all are different. So have you understood what I am asking actually? That
yes, I
sentence-
understood your point. So there are two schools of thought on that. So when you say people have one thing in common, correct? Then you are writing colon. What does that mean? You want your audience to anticipate what will happen the next, and that sentence is not complete. First part you are telling people have one thing in common, and in second part you are telling they all have passion, right? So the both are dependent clause. They are not independent clause. That helps. That answers your question, or
Yeah.
all right.
If you explain little bit, I guess with another example, Ajay.
Another example. Okay, I can give that example. For example, any word. I'm sentence, okay, and then you say whether we will be using colon or not. All right. In 2 words, I am possible.
Okay.
So can you use colon here or not?
We can use
Why we can use?
Because the complete sentence is not complete actually.
Yeah, because the sentence is not complete. One part of sentence depends upon the other. So that is
Yeah.
one example. And second example, what Ridhima, I think what you are confused is if we have to specify. It's not that if we have to specify. If we have to give a list, if we have to give a summary, if we have to give a quotation, if we have to give a dialogue, these would be the only example you would be using the colon. Make sense to you? So for example, you are writing like India is a country, plagued with poverty, right? India, you can write India and then you can write the colon because India is independent and that sentence is independent. So there you want to specify, right, that India is a country where poverty is poverty is widespread, right? So there you have to use hyphen, not the colon. Is it confusing or you are clear?
No, it's okay. And what is different between ratio and column?
Between ratio and sorry, come again.
Colon.
Ratio, you can use colon with ratios actually. I mean, ratio is mathematical and colon is when it comes to
Because you mentioned there, na, in one example, there is a mention 2:1.
Yeah, so what I mentioned is like if you have to tell, like if you have to define the ratio of anything, it should not be 2/1, it should be 2:1. So there you have to use colon. That is one example of it. What are the other examples?
Here we have here it is said colon here ratio.
Sorry.
Suppose
For
I take
maths,
2 raised
same.
to 1. It is
So if you are
what
writing
tell?
if you are writing in literature, it's a colon. It's not a ratio. All right. So those were some ground rules for.
Ajay, can I ask one thing? Whenever we write about the conversation of two people, like Ram and Shyam are conversing with each other. So
Right.
Ram colon, how are you? Shyam colon, I am fine.
Yeah, I think that point has been mentioned by I think Deepak Raj. When you are using dialogues, you have to use colon. You can't use hyphen there, right?
Yeah, true.
You can't use dashes. Is it clear to anybody, or we are going too fast? Let me know.
Clear.
Yeah, it's clear.
All right. So where we cannot use it, like any example. Refer. Don't look at me. Refer to the seat. Everything is there in the seat.
Yes.
Referring to the seat.
After
Any
the
example?
verb, do not
Don't
use
place
colon
common
after the verb.
verb.
Okay. You cannot use colon when you are using verbs. Any examples? So if you see there, I think Pallavi read that pre-request for this courses are 2 years of history, sociology 101, and fluency in Spanish, right? So here we cannot use colon. The first sentence is wrong sentence actually. All right, and the second is the right one. All right. Yes, no? Can
Right. Right.
Can we use colon when
Right.
we are writing dear Ajay? Can we use colon?
No.
No,
Why
no,
not?
no.
No, it's informal.
It's informal, and I'm not president of this country, by the way. So, so if you're writing something like dear President Donald Trump, you can use that. So any salutation which is formal, right? Dear principal, and then you can write the name. There you can use colon. So that is also one example where you can use the colon. And where you will not be using when you have a verb. So for example, there was one sentence, pre-request for this course are. So when you use colon there, it's quite confusing. Like why it has been used. So that was the one thing. All right. So that was the second on my list. And then the last one for today is DAS. How many of you know how to use correct DAS? Or what is the purpose of using DAS, by the way? That would be my question. Why we use DAS? Anybody?
Like two periods, na? Like if I talk about 2010 to 2020, then I use
Great.
dash. During that period, we will not write or specify all years, years. So there we can use dash.
Anybody? Any example?
To show the correlation between. Hello.
Yeah,
Hello.
we are hearing you. Yeah, we are hearing you. Go ahead.
To show the correlation between two things. To show the correlation between two things, like two things, like two periods, 1890. Two names, Mohan and Shyam. Mohan hyphen Shyam, who is related to what? Mohan hyphen Shyam, who is related to one thing. Like Mohan hyphen Shyam play music.
Okay. So I was
like
asking.
pickup.
Okay. So here is the thing.
Dash we use like mother, father, brother, sister, and
mother, father.
yes.
Yeah, those are
Brother,
compound
sister.
nouns.
Yes.
Those are compound
Yes,
nouns,
yes.
by the way, huh? For who don't know. See, if somebody is asking, understand question first. What is being asked, then answer. I asked very simple. What is the purpose of using dash? I didn't ask where to use it. What is the purpose of using dash? And that's my question again. If anybody can answer, it is there in C. It is it is written there in C. Like why we will be using dash. If not, then I can read out for you guys. So if you have to if you have to emphasize any point, right, there you will be using dash. Or if there is any abrupt changes, correct, that there you have to use dash. Or if there is some word which you want to explain, or if you want to any phrases if you want to explain, there you can use dash. Those are three examples. All right, and then somebody has specified somebody has told when you have numbers or dates like 1920 to 1930, correct,
Yes.
there you can use dash. That was the thing. Anybody can give me any example, like how if you have to drop off from this meeting, right, then how you'd be writing the sentence?
Like
Mhm.
team, team dash. I'm going to drop a meeting because I have some other work, or maybe I'm facing a network issue. There we can use
Correct.
dash.
There you can use dash. Perfect. Any
Yes.
other example?
Right.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, if we are delivering a speech to so many person, in that time we have to specify for all of the person. Then we can use dash.
That I have to see. Any examples which you guys think is appropriate, or I can give you some examples.
In years,
For
2 decades,
example,
in 2 decades.
In 2 decades, correct. In 2 decades, that's the right answer. So you are reading a lot of grammar, right? You are solving
yeah,
grammar problems.
these are not the part of our course.
Oh, these are not
So,
part of your but these are part of your
so,
writing every day.
yeah, so we can use that I am dropping off this meeting as my software is not up to date. So you can use up dash to dash date.
Right, those two words are connected. So if I summarize, there are certain rules to it. Number one is if you have to emphasize on certain point, there you can use dash. If there is any change, so for example, if I will be writing something like team, I have to drop off the call because I'm not feeling well, but I would be listening to it, right? So that kind of sentence, it's an abrupt change, right? There you can use dash. There are 4 types of dash. Anybody has any idea what are those 4 types of dashes? If not, then look at seat. There we have.
According to seat DM, DN, D2EM, and D3EM dash.
Okay. So if you are writing time period, what kind of dash you are using? So for example, if you are writing 1920 to 1930, what kind of dash you would be using?
The EM.
EN.
EM. Huh?
EN or EM?
EM.
EM. Okay. Anybody else?
It's EN dash.
E and S. Anybody else?
Yeah.
Anybody else? See, if it is EM, then it's 2 hyphens. Do you know that?
Yeah.
If it is EM, then it is 2 hyphens. If it is EN, then it's 1 hyphen. So in time
Yeah.
period, what we are using? Either we are using EN or EM.
EN.
EN. Yeah, that's the right one. That's the right one, right?
Yes, yes.
But if you are giving time period from 1920 to 1930, correct? There you cannot use dashes. There you have there you can't use dashes actually. Any reason for it? Why can't we use? Like why can't we use why can't we use dashes when we are specifying from 1920 to 1930?
It should be compound modifier.
It should be compound modifier.
Yeah.
because same thing you can achieve through all the other connectors like conjunction, bit, and
Right.
right. And when you write 1875 to 1880, it's quite confusing in a sentence. Correct. So you cannot
Right.
write like 19 from 1920 hyphen
30.
dash and 30. If you have to rewrite, how you rewrite Hira?
1920 hyphen 1930.
1930.
1920 hyphen 1930. That is the right one.
Yeah.
And any other
Yeah.
way? Any other way? So that is like that when it is 1920 hyphen 1930. Correct. When it is from 1920 hyphen 1930, how you'd be rewriting that?
From 1920 hyphen 1930.
Use
Two,
preposition
from
here from 1920
Okay.
to 1930.
Two.
Yeah, we have to use two.
Preposition two.
Correct. So
From
that right, that was one example, right? And then if you have any sentence where you have compound modifier, so for example you know what compound modifier are. So if I stay here in Cincinnati, right, I can write Cincinnati and then hyphen metropolitan area. So that is one example. Anybody has any other example where you can use en dash? En dash is one hyphen, by the way, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can use in time slot, right?
You can use in time slot. You can use any other compound modifier if you know which way we can use it. Anybody?
Madness in a group hyphen
India
Sakti.
and you can write
Hello?
like yeah. Dilip, yeah.
Madness in a group. Madness in a group. Hyphen Sakti.
Madness in a group hyphen Sakti. Madness in a group hyphen Sakti. Can you?
It should be, I guess, colon.
I cannot understand the meaning.
Yeah, I'm also not able to understand.
I am not able to understand your meaning. What you want to say?
So
yeah.
It can be this group is for age 10 to 60, right? 10 hyphen 60. For age is 10 hyphen 60. There you can use en dash, right? One dash, simple dash, small.
Correct. That's correct. Okay. So that was for en dash. How about em dash? Like 3 em dash, which is 3 hyphens, 6 hyphens on a typewriter, right? So if you are writing any author's name, right? If an author has written 5 books, correct? And if you are writing in a sentence, you can use em dash, right? So for example, it would let's say that if I have to write about this guy, what book I was reading, Jack
Mahatma
Canfield.
Gandhi.
I have not read any a book from Mahatma Gandhi, by the way.
Or George Bernard Shaw. George Bernard Shaw. Have you read that?
No, he's a great writer. I heard about him. Yeah.
I read 2 books. You can go through with The Apple Cart.
No.
That is also a very nice book. Written by George Bernard Shaw.
Sure.
Basic salary. Hello.
Yeah, Dilip, go ahead.
Basic salary description of a government employee.
Basic
like 5200 hyphen 160 of a government employee. Example like they write in the sense that 5200 hyphen 160, then 5600 hyphen 220, then 9500. These like the process of a description of a government employee.
Pay scale of an employee.
Pay scale of an employee, right? And you don't want to, that's a repeating data, right? You don't want to rewrite it. So you have to, so you can use those 3M dash, correct? Any other example? Any other example of using 3M dash?
It's a little bit confusing.
It's a little bit confusing. What?
Yes. 3M dashes. I don't understand about if we are talking about the salary.
Yeah,
why we put. Are you also?
I'm also
I'm
confused
also.
about this 3M dish.
Can I explain?
I'm not getting.
Yeah, Hira will explain.
Yeah,
I can
sure,
explain it,
sure.
but I will give opportunity to Hira. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
Sure.
In salary, the minimum basic salary is mentioned. Then the grade pay, that means how much your salary will increase, and the final basic salary is, that means initial basic salary, your increment, and then final basic salary. Three things are added in this.
So that
Whenever I am getting my offer letter, that is not mentioned there.
Where you are
So
using
next
3M
time I'll
dash.
ask to HR why they are not mentioning
No,
that.
these are mentioned in government sector, I think so.
Okay.
Grade pay is mentioned in only government sector. 5200
This is a
dash.
format of government
Yeah.
government sector.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, like 20,200 hyphen 4600 hyphen 52,000. That means in initially you will get 22,000. Your increment will be 4,600, and when you will retire, your final basic salary will be 52,000.
Means take home salary. Is it?
Basic salary plus incentives are added. So basic
that
salary
is
is
take home
So,
salary.
Hira,
that
can
is
I
take home salary.
explain?
Yeah, go ahead.
There is a process that 5200 hyphen 160, then 56 or 5700, then 240. It means that by your salary will be started from 5200, you will get the increment of 260 or 140 rupees per year per month. And when your salary will reach around 5600, then your increment will be around 260. These are the basic concern of this pay scale.
Right.
I guess you guys are belong from a government sector. That's why you have very good idea about it. But still, I'm not getting. So Ajay, can you specify it? Can you specify?
Sure. We can take that up a little later in this session. I will help you definitely understanding the difference. So right now, what we have planned for the next is there's a worksheet which I have shared with all of you. So you have 10 minutes of time, and everybody can solve that worksheet individually right now. All right, and then we can after 10 minutes we can discuss what is the correct answer. All right. I don't think it will take more than 10 minutes to solve it. So you can go ahead and start solving it. You must be having that worksheet, which Pallavi has shared in the group. Those should be pretty easy, just kind of refresher for you, so that whatever you have learned, you have to apply all those techniques, nothing else. And once everybody is ready, let me know. We can walk through answers of those. Let me check. Even
we have done. We are done. We can start.
You are done with all 11.
Yeah, still 7, 8, 8, 9 I have done, and when you will start this, I will be done.
Yeah, it is not 11, 13. Numbering system is.
No, we can start because after discussing also it will take
13.
time.
There is only 10, 11 questions,
that,
right?
so you can start.
Yeah,
We
10.
have only
11
Yeah, 13. We have 13.
Yeah, that's why
But
I told you.
actually it's 10, 11,
Numbering
12
system
and
is
last is named as 10 only. So they are total
Yes.
13 questions. Don't confuse.
That's what I told you. You have
Oh,
to, excuse me for my formatting. Like that was the maximum I can do. I was
Yeah,
like,
we can start, Ajay.
Yes.
you got all the answers. You have like solved all the problems.
I'm solving, but some confusion.
Yeah.
So for first one.
That's
the
what I
second
told.
is correct.
Try to solve by your own first, and then we can answer. We can show the answers, right? So that way you are ability to think about it, right? If you know the answer, you can definitely solve. That's the intent of it, nothing else. take some time, 5-10 minutes, take some time. If you don't know answer, leave it, not a problem. There's no. Just 1 second, I have to see what my roommate is asking. I will be there. Are you guys ready or need some more time?
We can start.
Okay. All right. I will share my screen, and you can check how many you have got right. In fact, I have not wrote the answer, but I know the answer. So let me do that. 1 second. All right. How many of you can see this seat?
We can see, but it is a little bit black. So just
Can you zoom it?
Zoom.
Yeah, it's a little bit hazy. Yeah, now fine.
Yeah, now it's fine.
now it's
Okay.
fine. Just do
Okay. What is the answer for the first one?
second.
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 Which chili surface?
Right. What is the reason?
Because I told you that in pronoun we cannot
It gives
use
me
it
complete
for
sense. That's
yes.
why.
No. And apart from that, in the who's who, all are pronoun, and you cannot use this as.
And that is indicating somebody.
Right. And how about the second one? How many of you have got right? The second one.
The cell phone is ours.
Second one is correct.
Second.
The cell phone is ours.
Okay. How many of you have got the third one right?
Writers, cramp, then employees, apostrophe s paycheck, which is a brew post of boxes, post office.
Right, and you know the reasons for it, right? Because
Yeah,
they all
yeah.
are
Yeah.
they all are singular nouns, correct?
Yeah.
And then they don't end with
Someone's idea. Then Canada's, right? Canada's.
you. So how many of you have got wrong? Anybody has got this wrong?
Yeah,
One.
I got one
Yeah.
wrong.
Canada.
I got third and fourth wrong.
I got
I have
fourth
all
wrong.
correct.
Okay.
Canada.
Okay. How about the
I've got two
fourth
wrong.
one? How about the fourth one? Which is right? Which is wrong?
Bosses.
The last second are correct.
Second,
First,
yeah.
second, yeah,
Are
first,
wrong.
second are wrong.
Okay. Good question. Here is the thing. These all four are correct. Do you know why? As I said, in English language there are certain rules, right? So
Okay.
there are two kinds of English, right? One is by Strunk and White, and another is by NY Public Library, right? And both of them are right. So the first rule says that if you have anything which is ending in S, don't add S, correct? But the second method tells like you can use S whatever it is. If it is if it is a singular noun and either it is ending with S or not, you can use S, correct? So this is exception.
Okay.
Yeah, but I got confused with third one or fourth one.
Yeah, it's confusing. It is one of the toughest ones.
Yeah.
In fact, it took my time for me. How about this one? Do you think it's correct or how we can?
Dickens novel. Dickens novel is correct.
Okay, this is
No,
correct.
Dickens novel is correct.
Yeah, novel is correct.
Second one is not correct.
A friend of mine's car. Second one.
Second one is not correct.
Okay, so second
Friend
one
of mine is okay. Friend of mine car.
Okay, so here is the thing. So as I said, right, you have to use, both of them are wrong actually, and how we can, how we can correct it, that I'm going to do.
Maybe like I think Dickens novel, not novels.
Yeah.
Dickens
That's why I
novel,
have
Dickens novels, right? Dickens,
No, Dickens novel.
This is also
Yeah.
incorrect. This is also incorrect. Okay. Anybody has any idea why these those are incorrect? These two sentences are incorrect.
Yeah, both are incorrect because
Dickens
we
is a
cannot
plural
say.
word.
Yeah.
Okay, it is a plural word. Any other answer?
No. It is proper noun. Means proper
Dickens
noun.
is a proper noun actually.
Okay, so here is the thing, guys. What I told is like you cannot own a novel.
Hello.
Anybody can use a own the novel. So these kind of possessives are known as awkward possessives, correct? And if
Yeah.
you use it here, it's quite confusing actually. Whose novel is this? So you can write like you can rewrite this sentence something like this: the novels of Dickens, because he can have many novels, right? Novels. So this is how you will be writing. How about the second one? Anybody has any idea how we can rewrite? So if I were me, I would be something like this. Star. A friend of mine's. How awkward it is looking.
Ajay, Dickens is not name of any writer.
Dickens novels.
Dickens is name, na?
Dickens is name.
If it is name of somebody.
Also, you have the example of boat. Also, you have stated the same example where you have a Tom and Dick's boat, and that time also Tom's and Dick's boats. So how can you spell?
First of all, for Tom and boat, they are owning a boat, right? But here he is not an author. Dickens is not an author. The novels of Dickens actually. So he is writing like he is just taking the novel, right? He is not his own novel, correct? So that's how you would be rewriting it. How about the second one? Why this is incorrect and why this is correct? Pallavi, I can explain you. We can take that question later offline.
No, I got it. I just confused about the Charles Dickens. I related to in that way that he is his.
See, guys, a friend of mine's car. So a friend of mine's car. This does not look right. Actually, it's very awkward.
Yeah,
So
incorrect statement.
Correct. So moving on to 6.1. Can anybody tell how to we can correct this really quick?
Yeah, teachers conference, post office,
Teachers
Teachers
conference.
conference, yes,
employees
teachers,
union.
yes, teachers.
Employees
Employees
put
Yeah.
union,
office as
yeah.
employees union.
The Davis
Davis is-
vacations.
No, here is not Davis
No,
vacation.
it's correct.
It's incorrect.
Which one?
The Davis vacation cannot be of somebody.
Right. So that's why it is incorrect. Who got that?
Yeah.
Yeah, incorrect. Yeah. I
Okay.
told you.
Okay. And how about this one?
Nurses.
Nurses
Yeah, post
duties.
office,
Nurses duties.
post office.
And, the last one.
Yeah,
Guest
post
name.
office.
Guest name.
Okay. How about
Yes.
the seventh one?
Women issues.
Women issues.
Women issues.
Issues.
Women issues.
This is the correct one, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
How about this one?
People's post
People's
office,
business. Other people's business.
apostrophe s.
So all of you are getting everything right?
Yeah.
So far?
Yeah.
Interesting.
No.
Major
Little bit
All
wrong.
of you, all 10 people on the call.
Domo button.
Okay, not a problem.
hyphen.
Measures do.
Buttons, post
No.
office s.
No. A major hyphen. No.
Uh-huh.
Major dom button.
Video.
Hyphen we can use.
Measures, Domo, measures.
Major Domo's baton.
Domo's button.
How about
Yeah,
this one?
mother-in-law.
Mothers-in-law. Mothers-in-law.
Laws.
Post office s.
Laws. Yes.
This one?
Master of ceremony, greeting, masters.
Greetings.
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 Greetings. Anybody has any other answer than greetings? Hey, see this is compound word, right? This one. Then why you want
Master of ceremony.
with compound words? I told right. You can use s if it is not ending with s, correct? And this is singular noun,
Okay.
right? Why you thought like it will be greetings? By the way, that would be my question.
We have used this earlier, that's why.
Okay. How about the ninth one?
The
Attorney general. Attorneys will be is wrong.
Attorney. Attorney is the position, so we can only use attorney general's meeting.
Attorney. Remove s from attorney.
That is the for one person, I
Attorney.
think.
Yeah.
Attorney is the for one person, and generals may be lots of generals, and meeting would be a singular, I think.
But can he own meeting, right? You can't own meeting, correct? So that's why like how about writing this something like
Meetings. The attorney general's meetings, is it like that?
writing
Meeting.
like this?
No, attorney general meetings.
The meeting of attorney general.
Who got that?
No, attorney general meetings can be correct.
The meeting of attorney general.
It sounds like good. The meeting
what is
of
that?
attorney
What is the reason
generals.
you know?
Yes.
Attorney general is a post actually. Yeah,
Mhm.
high
Yes,
rank post
absolutely
in
correct.
yeah.
Attorney
high
is
rank
the
post in
post.
army.
Attorney. Yes, yes.
High rank post in army.
Absolutely.
How about the
Attorney general.
ninth one? Can anybody correct?
Winters
Yeah.
of 1968. Winters.
It's correct.
Winters of 1968.
I can't.
can't.
That
I
would
can't.
be yes.
I can't.
You won't.
You would.
You
Won't.
want.
You
Yes,
wouldn't.
You
You
want.
You
wouldn't.
press D.
But that is
You
only
wouldn't.
right. You
Wouldn't.
would. You would.
It is
You
wouldn't.
wouldn't.
No,
Yeah,
it's
You don't
only
do
you
that.
would. You apostrophe.
Fair.
Yeah, it's correct.
Okay. Why you got this one wrong? Actually, by the way, Winters of 1968. Why you got this wrong? That's what I'm asking.
Winters.
Mhm.
I think it is not plural. Winter is noun.
Huh.
Winters. Why should I write
Sorry.
winters?
It was
no,
winter.
that is for
S,
we
S,
are
yeah.
indicating.
Yeah.
We are indicating that period. That for winters.
No.
How about this one?
No.
How about this?
68.
Or maybe to how about this?
It looked like okay, but
Omit the letter and letter here, right? So what was the problem, by the way? Why it was from 1968? 1900 decade you can omit, right? Because you know that
Yeah.
68 is a number.
Right.
I hope you understand that. So here you have not got all the right.
Yeah,
but whenever
I told you that winters
in
winters
third-
cannot be written. I told you that winters cannot be written there.
Okay. How about this
Yeah,
one?
in third, why you use not?
In which place?
Ninth third.
Ninth, you don't.
You would not.
want,
Why you use
want,
not?
that is want.
Past of will is would, right? So
Right.
you will not and you would not.
Right. Do some homework, guys. How about this one? The 10th one.
And all is well.
All's well that.
All is well.
And
3 idiots.
Yes.
Can you that is correct or incorrect?
Third or fourth
it
is
sounds like incorrect because
Which is
meaning
incorrect?
is little bit all
All
wells that ends
is
wells
incorrect.
ending. That is little.
Wells is
All
not
is well
required.
that. Which is
Ajay,
first of all,
Yes,
post of an
ending
S
is
को remove कर.
ending.
guys, I cannot hear
All's well
everybody.
the ends well. I
Hold
think
on, hold
that
on.
is.
Which one is incorrect first? Then we will focus on why.
Wales is incorrect form. Wales.
Yes.
The
First
first
All is
one
well that ends well ending.
No. See, the wells will be removed. It will be
Yeah.
all
Post of an S should be removed.
that ends well.
Okay. So which is correct? The first one or the second one? That is my question.
Yeah, first, second one is correct.
Yeah. So that's what. If I
Yes, second one is correct.
okay. In this third and fourth, which is the right one?
Rulings. Second one, I think.
Second one is
NHL rulings.
Why it is
Rulings.
correct? Why it is correct?
Because they sound like correct.
I know it sounds like.
no. Actually, NHL is noun actually, and
No,
they are
NHL
ruling.
is not. NHL is not noun. NBA is not noun. National Basketball
Yes.
Association is not noun. These are abbreviations.
It is a abbreviation.
Abbreviation or acronyms you cannot use.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
You have to avoid
Yeah,
using apostrophe. That's the reason.
Right,
It's not that if it is
right.
right, then it is right. All right.
Okay.
So, why this one is correct? This sounds like correct, but there is a reason for it. Can anybody tell what is the reason? This is a title, guys. This is a title. All is ends well's ending. So that's why it is incorrect, right? You are just rewriting this one. As I told you, right, with titles you don't have to use S. How about this one, the 11th one?
Post of and S should be removed from London's.
Yeah, the
which
Tower
one?
of London.
London's.
London's. Yeah.
Post of and S should be removed.
Can you rewrite it? Like how to rewrite this? Apostrophe should be removed. I can remove
Yeah.
that. Not a problem.
It can be the towers of London interior. It can be
The
the
Tower
tower of
London.
London interior. Yes.
The Tower of London interior. No. Any other answer?
Interior of the interior of London Tower. Is it correct? The interior of London Tower. Is it correct?
Interior of London Tower. The interior of London Tower. Yes, that's the correct
London's
answer.
Tower. That yes.
Interior of London Tower, or maybe the interior of the London Tower. Why this is incorrect? By why this is incorrect? I told you.
No, for London you cannot use.
You cannot own tower, right?
Yeah, yeah.
You cannot own towers. Same thing here. A relative of mine is stay. How do you rewrite this one? The second one. How about if I rewrite something like state of
A relative of mine state.
The state of my relative.
mine? How this one
The
is?
state of my
Mine's
the state of relative of mine.
state of mine's.
How the second one is looking? I think I have to send the
The
answers
state
also or
of
explanation.
relative of mine. Yes, it's correct.
This is correct, right?
Relative of mine. Yes, yes, yes. Because the state is indicating some place and all. The state, like T state and all, relative of mine.
Exactly. And you can't own a place, right?
Yes.
So that's why you have rewritten it, correct? When it is like when the pronoun is again awkward possessive, you are using you are rewriting this. How about the 12th one? How many of you have got that right? I'm just hearing from 3-4 people. How about others? Can I
have one thing.
People are getting everything right?
No, yaar.
Not a problem, suppose you're not getting right. That's okay. If you get
One,
everything
two, right?
It should be after semicolon should be removed and colon should
Yes.
be there.
Colon.
People have
Yes.
one thing in common.
Yes, column. Yes, people have one thing in common. There is the column, and
Colon,
after that,
Yes.
they all are
they
driven
all
by
are
colon.
driven by goal. Yes.
Okay, how about the second one?
So in 2 words.
I am possible. Yes, there would be a colon in 2 words. I am possible, because that is indicating something and specifying something. So
That's the right answer. How about the third one?
in our country we have 3 unspeakable precious things.
Third one,
Free
fourth one, fifth one, sixth one.
Ah, we can use dash.
And
Where Ashutosh?
here we can use 3 dashes, is it?
Yes, sir. 3 dash. Yes.
3 dashes we can use, because there are
3 per-
interconnecting the word. There are 3
Yes.
interconnecting words.
Any other
Yes.
answer? That is wrong answer, by the way, huh? 3 dashes.
I don't
That is
know.
wrong answer, by the way. Any other answer, guys? You guys study a lot of.
No. Yeah, I tell means I think that semicolon should not be there.
Semicolon should not be there. Okay. Then what should be?
I think
Should not be there. Then what is the correction? See what I told here also.
just remove it.
Colon should be there after precious thing.
Yeah, colon should be there. Why? Why it should be there? Because
Because after that we are specifying those 3 things.
yeah, we are taking a list of 3 things. That's why colon should be there. How about the this one? Ram, God, I love you.
Ram colon.
God, I love you. I would love.
And the explanation mark should not be there.
After love.
Yes, God, after God.
Why it should not be there?
Ram.
Give
I
the
think
semicolon.
Because that sentence was not complete, no? So that's look like
Say,
love.
God help me.
Comma. You can use their comma.
See, Hira, just understand. You either use comma or you can use this column.
Yeah.
Exclamatory point.
Both can be written.
Both can be written, right?
Yeah.
Is it clear?
okay. After God, there is a expressions. You can say God like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I would love.
Whenever
Okay,
we
got
use
it.
hey God, then we should use sign of exclamation, I think.
Hira,
Hey God.
but no, not everybody will take God. A lot of people will.
Hey God.
Right?
Oh God. Oh
my
God.
Oh God, yeah.
So, here both are correct. You can use any of those.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. How about this one?
Better letters. Semicolon.
better letters
And
colon a handbook of business and personal.
correspondence.
What
Yes,
is the
that is
reason?
correct.
What is the reason?
Better letter. Because after better letters, we
That
are
is the definition
specifying
of
what
the
is
book.
that. Yes.
Better letters.
Yes.
Exactly.
Yes,
This is
specifying.
title and this is subtitle. For the people who have. How about this one?
It may be that the race is not always to the swift, not the battle of
It
strong.
may be that.
Always
this is not one of those two.
If anybody has answered, speak up. If it is right, wrong, how we can correct it.
After swift, we can put semicolon and then not the battle to the strong, but that is way to the bit, I think.
After Swift, you
Swift, yes,
what do you
yes,
want?
yes.
Semicolon or
Colon, we can
Colon.
use. And then because after that we are specifying the sentence, not the battle to the strong, but that's the way to bit.
Okay.
It may not the races. I think, I don't know I'm correct or not.
Anybody has any answers? That is a wrong answer, by the way.
No.
Okay, I will explain you. So this is
To the strong only comma, not semicolon.
here. What do you want to put? Colon. Okay, so colon. You said why not this one?
Hyphen would be there. Dash.
After seeing, you are telling, right?
No. Actually, I was about to speak.
Okay, not a problem. Then why it should be there? What is the reason? Because the reason is you want to emphasize here, but that is the way to. It may be the race. It is not always to be swift. Race is not easy, nor the battle. And then here you have point to specify which you want to emphasize on, right?
Yes.
Okay, the last one.
From 1920.
And that should
option
be
is
1920 and 1930.
Which is right and which is wrong? Which is
Second
First
one
and
is
fourth
from
are incorrect.
first is in. Sorry.
Second one is correct. From 1920 to 1930.
Second.
Yes,
Second is correct.
Second is correct.
yes.
Second is correct.
Second is
The
correct.
document was written between.
And last is wrong.
And the last one
Third-
is
third
the
is-
document
The document
Third is correct,
Third-
right?
written
Third
between.
is also
Third is
correct.
correct.
Third is correct.
Third is correct.
Both are incorrect. No, not
Both
at
are
all.
incorrect.
This is correct. Oh, sorry, I got too excited. This is correct. Any reason why?
Yeah, last one is correct because it has mentioned
Yes, I
between.
already said because
Written between.
because both are the time period, because intra-connected 1875 and then 1880.
Right. Remember thumb rule. If you have from and if you have between, you cannot use any you have to use only, you cannot use the dashes over there. If you have from,
Right.
and that is the rule. If you are right, then why you got wrong? All right, 1 second.
Because already between mentioned, that's why we don't use hyphen, I think.
Correct.
Is it?
That's right. Already between is there, so that is the connector. I hope all of you got the right answer or either wrong answer. Answer will be saved either on Drive or somewhere. I will share this document. Anybody has any question?
No.
No.
See, Ajay, I have one suggestion. Can I say?
Yes.
I'm audible?
Yeah, you are.
We can do one thing, because in writing, maximum people are confused. We know whenever we are writing, then comes auto in my mind where I have to put a column, hyphen, apostrophe. So what we can do for our mentors, we can write one email on every week, not daily, because we have already lots of work to can't read all mails and all. So every week on Saturday or on Sunday, so who is their mentor. So they can go through with that mail, and after that, if any loophole is there, he can or she can convey to him. So here you are lacking, and you need to work. So that would be, I think, better.
If mentor has the problem, then
It's a suggestion. It's just a suggestion.
Rhythm, I like it. I liked it. I think I was about to propose the same thing. I don't know how many of you are writing your script for book club on a piece of paper.
And Rhythm, I want to inform that many of us are already, the mentees are sharing their speeches to their mentor.
Oh my God.
Asking suggestions and also kind of touch we are having.
I know,
So
you
I think
have
this
to.
we will take care of.
All right. So Ridhima, I have one idea to, I think, help you or anybody who is looking for writing. So I told Ashutosh or somebody that when you are writing script for book club, either you have to write on a piece of paper or you write on a digital media, correct? And save somewhere. All right. And once you have everything, upload in Drive. And whenever I have time, I will get back to you. Like I can correct you. So that would be the one thing I can offer to everybody.
Yes.
Over here.
I'm writing on my diary, and after when I write, and after that I recorrect that whatever matter is there, and after that I go through with that, because it's very difficult me for mug up and all. So I'll go through with that, and after that I deliver my speech. So what I'm doing.
If you are writing,
So Ajay,
Yes, always writing. Yes, I prefer
completed,
writing.
one full copy, right, of my script. How means
Sakti,
last 3 months I have written.
Sakti, if you are writing it, that's what I told. If you are writing, a piece of paper, take a photo of it, scan it, and upload on a drive. I will go ahead and I will correct and I will tell you what is wrong. That would be the easy thing. That would be the one thing, Ridhima, you can do. Second thing, when you are writing goal, right, every day, save somewhere, either on a phone or somewhere on a write. Like let's say that 5 days you are sharing goals, right? There also you are having some mistakes, correct? Everybody, right? All of us are doing some mistakes. So save those 5 goals and share somewhere. Now keep there on drive, and whenever I have time, I will review that and correct you or correct anybody. Or if anybody has a better answer this than idea than this, go ahead. I don't have any problem.
So
like mentors or whatever, we can help you only when you when you ask our help. For example, if you are not sharing your script with your mentor, or if you are not writing your script at all, then I can't help you, right? That makes sense to you guys?
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. So Ridhima, you got answered. Ridhima, I know that you want to improve. So why can't you? You are writing goals every day, correct? Write somewhere, like take a photo of it and just upload in Drive. And on Saturday or Sunday, whenever I get time, I will just review and I will let you know like what are the corrections there.
No, and every week I'll share you one mail. One page.
Mail
That
will
would
be
be
fine.
better idea.
Yeah, mail.
Because whenever I'm writing mail, then whenever I'm making sentence and doing in a para, there would be a mistake. If I'm doing on a pointer and also there is a slightly mistake. But whenever I'm writing a big mail, like 1 page and 1.5 page, then there should be, you can identify my mistake.
Yeah, send me an email. I can share my email address with you. Not a problem.
No issues. You can give me any topic. I'll write that and I'll send you.
You can write any topic. I don't have whatever is. Go ahead and write about anything. I don't. I give freedom to everybody, like because everybody has.
We already have 7-8 topics in our group.
That is for speech, na, Ira. That is for speech. Tomorrow's speech, na.
Yeah.
So,
Why can't you like share that script of the speech? I can correct there.
Yeah.
Right. That's the easy.
That's why I suggested.
Right. That's the easy one. Anything else, Ridhima, or anybody? If anybody needs any help, or do you think it helps you like this kind of sessions? It
Yes,
helps.
it helps.
yes.
Really.
And I'm
Yeah.
very honest with you. To be honest with you, say hello. To be honest with you, Personality development is not about English, not just English, to be honest with you. So if you are thinking that I will teach you entire grammar, you expect it wrong. You just have to refer these materials before coming to the meeting, and this is just to refresh you, like tell you the rules. Now it's your task, right, to go back and do all the research, right? Take some sentences from my blog or from anybody's, right? Take some sentences and try to see where you can use the correct punctuation or in your own writing. That helps. I don't want to set a wrong expectation, and you would be like, this guys are telling that I will be taking session on grammar, and it is not helping me. So I just wanted to be right upfront with you guys. That makes
Correct.
that
Yes,
makes
yes.
sense. And if you are not going through these materials before coming this meeting, like I don't know whether you are going or not, and I don't have time also to identify that, because we are meeting for like half an hour or 1 hour, right? So it's your duty to go through those. I feel it will really help you, right?
Yes.
When you are writing emails every day, and
Definitely.
when you make mistakes, people will point that out, to be honest with you, and your impression will be judged based upon writings you are writing in a professional world, not in personality development.
Yes.
Don't feel scared and don't share your goals. Already few people are sharing. So Ridhima will be like, no, I will be just based upon the punctuation, so I'm not sharing. I'm just kidding. Ridhima or Asutosh or Sakti, anybody.
No. We will do that.
Okay,
The more
yeah.
mistake I do, the more correction is going to happen with us. So no
Exactly.
problem.
Exactly. Anybody has any concerns, anything which you would like to address? Ridhima, I know you don't have any mentor here, and I know that you need a mentor. So let me see who can be your mentor, and let me check who all are available and timings and all, and I will get back to you. All right. And for time being, if you need any help, you can always ping me or send me your documents. I can review that until we have assigned a mentor for you, or maybe Asutosh or anybody from this whom you feel very comfortable with. All right, so that was for today's meeting. One thing I wanted to highlight here, and that would be the last one. I just wanted to to give a shout out for one member of this group, two members of this group, basically. This is my honest shout out. So I would like to give a shout out to Asutosh Singh, who is here, and Riddhima. So the first on my list, Asutosh, is because like I have seen entire transformation in him, not in communication. The way he is writing his goals on a group right now, and the way he used to write, and all the time management he's doing, reading books, and he has got rid of all social media, and he's not using Amazon, Netflix. He's good with customers right now, and he's trying to make friends. So I felt, for some reason, this is from deep of my heart, I felt that he understood my thought process. For some reason, I don't know. I didn't do anything special for him, to be honest with you. I'm not calling also outside of this meeting. So for everybody, that would be something to learn from Asutosh. Good job, Asutosh, on that. And second,
Thank you.
Ridhima, thank you, Ridhima, for inspiring us. Really appreciated. Again, why I called out these two names are one has transformed and become a champion, and one is on the way. So I'm really excited to see her transformation on this platform. Ridhima, thinking in India, they are thinking about vision board, right? I don't know how many of you have heard about vision board in India. So the only difference I can find between Asutosh and Hira Lal is Asutosh is working on implementation. He is trusting someone's word. If somebody is telling something, he knows that the guy who is sitting in front of him he's not an ordinary guy. He is not taking him lightly, right? So if he has a courage, if he has a potential, if he has a determination to record a video at 2:30, that means that he has changed. It's very simple. Like not everybody can record a video at 2:30 and send that to a professional attire, because he believes that I have given a commitment, and if I have given a commitment, that's a respect. So I would be delivering to it. So that was the one thing I wanted to mention. Thank you, Asutosh, for going beyond the miles and achieving that. And please keep adding, Ridhima, keep adding people like you or Asutosh, like if you know anybody who will get benefited. One thing I liked about Asutosh is he's not doubting anybody else's credibility. If Ajay is saying something, he understands like he's telling the right thing, So he's not kind of like doubting that no, he's wrong or he's right, right? That makes sense to you guys? So I don't know how many of you got benefited when Kiran came to this group. I don't know. He spent 1 hour. He never spent 1 hour with me individually. Like he never 1 hour with me. So why I wanted to highlight these points is that sometimes people will spend 5 minutes of your time with you, and if you have to learn, you will learn. If not, you're gone. To be honest with you, I don't know anybody. When my friend Tiffany Tran, right? She came to this group, correct? She is highly successful in marketing. We are bringing
Right.
so you should learn a lot from them. In 2017, she told me, Ajay, you use Google Calendar. She told me that you use Google Calendar for time management. I didn't doubt any credibility. Next day, I took Google Calendar and I started using it. It has been 2 years I'm using it, Google Calendar. I didn't ask like, hey, why you are telling you are not, you are not qualified to tell me because he has already implemented it, right? When Kiran came here, he talked about goal setting, and you guys are not setting goals. For example, how many of you have shared goal for like last 30 days without fail? Can you raise hand? One. Ridhima also. See, no, not. I'm talking about like last 30 days consequently. No, see, very few number. And again, you think like he's trying to point that out or correct me. I'm not trying to correct you. I'm not bothered also if you are not setting group goals. For example, let's say that if Pallavi is mentoring somebody and if he's not sharing the goal or Sakti is not sharing the goal, what is the message you want to give to your mentees? That no, I'm not sharing goals, so you also don't share, right? That is how message will go, right? Make sense to you, guys, or is it too much? For example,
No, it's really
mentoring, and if you are not writing your goals, your mentees will not follow you, right? So hope you understand that. Hope everybody can learn from Asutosh and Ridhima that whatever they are trying to do, like social media, not using that, and being goal focused, oriented. He's thoughtful as well. He's very thoughtful. He called me day before yesterday. I mean, I was impressed. I was like, first I was angry why he called me during office hours, and then I was like, he called me on my phone. So I thought like something is definitely serious. Else he will not call me. He knows my timing. And then he told me he did something special for me. What he did? He has that puja called Janmashtami.
Janmashtami.
He told me to take the blessing. So initially I didn't understand his intention, but how thoughtful it was. That shows that he has learned the art of persuasion from that book, right? And sorry, Asutosh, if I sounded a little bit, if I were tough on you that day. I don't think so, though.
No, it's not like that, Ajay. First of all, I would like to say thank you so much
Asutosh,
because
just before thanking me, we just want to hear from you actually today that we are doing this kind of sessions, right? So now you have completely changed, correct? Whatever you used to be, right? 3 months back, I was watching your speeches also, not in terms of communication, your mindset and your positive energy. So what you learned from here, and what is the like compulsion that is inspiring you to write your goals every day, like without fail? All the
first thing which I mention here, Ajay, just see, I will just turn out my camera. It's a vision board. It's a vision board.
Just Asutosh, hold down. Guys, this is conversation outside of the meeting. So if you feel like if you have to go for an appointment, you feel free to drop the call, not a problem. If you feel like if you have to go for an appointment or anything, I don't want to be a barrier, between your dinner or whatever. I mean, or if you are getting bored, like this is just a side conversation. This has nothing to do with group, right? So I mean, I'm not compelling everybody to stay in the call and get bored. Make sense? Yeah, so those go ahead. I would be interested.
So first thing I just mentioned, you, Ajay, you have explained your vision board, right? I was not aware, and I was not thought ki what vision board will work in my life. To be very honest with you, 2-3 days, 4 days, I search ki why we are doing this vision board and all. Then I just message you, Ajay, I just want a little bit more about vision board, because I think I'm not able to understand why we all are doing vision board. Trust me, when you explained me and when I go in deep with this vision board, I found that it's very important for our goals. Whatever the goals I have planned for the entire year, or my future prospect, that is really been very helpful. And trust me, whenever I am going for the meeting, because when I go for the meeting, I have a very higher in prospect, because my customer is very higher. It's like when I meet with my vice president, that meeting was, I can't explain how nervous I am. I am very nervous. Totally, I don't know how to talk, what to talk, because he's such a personality that that has not been handled by me. This vision board, I just stick to my goals. I just kept it to my vision board. I guess I repeated it more than 10 times or 20 times or more than 30 times. I don't know, because I have not counted. And seriously, to be very honest, when I met with him, first 1 minute or 2 minutes, I am very fumbling. My voice is little bit up and down. After that, I really nailed my meeting. I really do that. And I receive, I get an order from that company with all the negotiations, everything. And that's in this pandemic situations, if you are getting an order of 3 CR or 4 CR or 2.5 CR, that is something which is not been expected by my company too. So that is my achievement because of you, because of your vision board, because of your idea. That because I am not thinking about my negative things. I always think if I succeed and if I got this, then what is going to happen? If I talk about the book club, the Art of Persuasions book is always on my table, with always on my bed. Whenever I go, I always read this book. At least I read 1 chapter every day, and I mark all the points and trying to utilize on my day-to-day life. This is what I learned from this platform. Other than my communication skill, if I talk my goals, like I from last 5 years, I don't know, in 2013 or 14, I stopped my running. After that, I started my running when I joined this group, and you started your sharing your goals. I remember the day, it was, I guess, 30 April or 31st April. You started sharing your goals in the group. We someday we shared, then someday we forget to share, and that's how we started sharing our goals and doing all the activities. And trust me, before at 9 o'clock I completed my all tasks. Then I have 1 hour of quality time I just give to my wife. Earlier on I was not giving it. This is all because of this platform.
Right, Sutosh, I'm very happy to hear from you, and I'm definitely inspired. I don't know about others, and Asutosh, I know you are humble. I mean, definitely this platform is helping you, but at end of day, it is you. If I'm something, you are trusting, my words, and you are going and implementing it, right? You are not doubting on credibility. So, like a big round of applause to you as well, Asutosh, and
Thank you.
something like that. I felt like I'm seeing this guy 2 hours working on exercise. He's working for 2 hours running, and when I see his goals, I'm like, I cannot be less than him. So, other day I thought to run 2 kilometers, and I'm like, this guy is running 4, so I am already running 5, so I cannot do, so that's the one thing. Everybody, take Asutosh as an example, or see how he is thinking, and or maybe I think Ridhima will also follow the same pattern going forward.
Yes. Like now we have a competition.
I'm trying to do that, but I'm not able to follow properly, because still I'm battling with time management, because my time wasn't very previously very different, because I was in US shift and now recently moved in day shift. So I'm enjoying whatever I'm doing. It's completely enjoyment for me. If I'm going for walk, it's after I think after 6 or 7 years. After that, I started for walking, and now I'm doing for jog, like sometime running and sometime walking. And reading, I love reading, but it's far I left that. I was not doing every day, but now I started to do at least 4 or 5 pages every day to match with Ashutosh and you also. So I think I have competition with you guys. I don't know why, but yes, I want to improve a better version of Riddhima 2.20 till December. I have the goal. So
I have
I
Ajay,
want.
now I am
Ajay,
scared. I have enough competitor. You, Asutosh, Zach, Pallavi, something. My Zach is telling I
like
have read 2 books this week. I'm like, hey guy, I'm spending a lot of time preparing a worksheet for this group. I don't have time, a lot of time to read.
It's a
Riddhima
healthy
is a
competition, Ajay.
competitor. She is earlier. She is waking up in late morning, right, Riddhima? So when
Yes,
she joined the
absolutely
group,
correct. Every day
now
after 8
I
or
was
7.
scared. I am scared. You know, she wake up early in the morning, like 5:30 or maybe 5:15. So I think, no, I have to wake up early in the morning more than her. I have to do the exercise and all.
So
So
now
this is
I
a
started
competition.
at approx 5:45. At least I have to leave my bed. So that's I'm doing on every day. Sometimes it's mess, but yes,
Don't
And
trying
go,
to do
I
that.
don't
and
go for
Pallavi
5.
is here.
You know,
Pallavi is here. So yeah, you go ahead. Like
yeah,
Pallavi is here. So I just want to say thanks, Pallavi. Like we are not communicating more in a week, but 2 days or maybe sometimes through a message. So see, whatever she guided, I just follow the her guidance, and she is really even helpful for me. Really helpful for me. Thank you so much,
I
Pallavi.
exactly. Sutosh, thank you, Pallavi.
Yeah, thanks to you, Ashutosh. And I was hearing all those things. So I am also feeling very happy. And apart from all the things which Ajay has mentioned about Ashutosh, there are 2 more qualities which I want to add. The same quality between Hira and Ashutosh. They are helping the new participants like hell. They are motivating, they are spending time and calling each and every person. In fact, they are rewriting their speeches, they are helping them. So, like Hira and Ashutosh, because I mentor them, so I had a conversation with them every weekly. So they are doing a great job, both of them, and each of them are motivating every person, the new participant who is speaking now, or who is like, even they are speaking a summary or they are giving their introduction. Is the credit goes to only Hira and thus Ashutosh.
Yeah, yeah. Again,
Thank you.
thanks, Pallavi, for bringing that up. So again, I mean, we can definitely Asutosh, good job on inspiring. Asutosh will think a lot of praise for Asutosh, right? Which you don't deserve. No. Yeah. Sorry.
It doesn't mean Ashutosh now you will sleep late and you will wake up late in the morning and
No,
you
no,
are
no.
going to miss your goals.
No, I am going to beat Ajay. Na. I have to beat Ajay goals. So I have to wake up early in the morning.
Like Pallavi, day of yesterday, I was thinking like I was doing a lot of running and Tabata. I was like dead tired. I will run for 2 kilometers. I thought to ride and I got his goal. He's running 4 kilometers. I'm like, I can't go 2 now. So that's always good. For example,
So now, Ashutosh, you have to share your screenshot as well, na? The meters you have
Yes,
covered. Like Ajay sometimes may shared his watch
I
photos
have
and all.
shared. I have shared
After that, we are
when I
going to believe.
no one day I no one day I run and walk for 13 kilometers. That I have shared.
yeah,
I guess 20 days back. I have shared that. The 13 I started 5 a.m. in the morning and completed by 7:30 nearly. So that
exactly.
13 kilometer walking, running, that's it.
I can give one
That I've
example of a competition. Last meeting, I think book club. Pallavi asked me to present. And I was like, I thought I had to do impromptu speech that day because I didn't have time. I was helping my roommate, and I was thinking like, she called me, and these 4 guys have already nailed it. And I can't go beyond that. So I was like more, I was like more frightened. So what should I do? And then I was like, no, I'm with what I am. I don't compete with anybody. I compete with myself. So just a joke apart, like when we have good competition, like we get motivated in the group. So
right.
good job everybody. And again, as I said, like I am seeing only 5 goals out of 20 member on the group. So that is not something appreciated. As I told you, like if you are not setting your goal, mentees will not share the goal. To be honest with you, and that's the feedback I got from one of participant. Like you know, all the senior members are not sharing the goal, how we can share the goal, you know. Like somebody has mentioned that all senior members will talk big things, you know, and when it comes to implementation, nobody's implementing anything. So that was like something I, you know, that is something to look forward to. That's why I messaged the group. You know, I'm really happy to see everybody flourishing here, and I will let you guys go now. I know a meeting got extended a little bit, but sometimes it's okay to, you know, talk other things than meeting. That is how you will be building relationship. Either you are at or you are at you know, at your job. Like all the time you can't talk about work.
That's what I discussed with Pallavi, I guess, on Monday.
Right.
So we can do that virtual dinner again.
I have one question.
Hira also. Yeah, Ridhima, please.
I have one
I'm agree with
question
you.
for everybody. How you people are managing your time? If you are writing something, so are you really stick on that? I have to finish in this time. If that work is or task is not get finished, so I have to move next task. Is it like that?
Yes.
No. What I do, let me answer first. So that if I'm mentioning 5 goals, so it is if I'm mentioning that I am going to do 45 minutes exercise. So in that time I am particular. But if I have mentioned that I am going to do 3 hours of research work, my last 2 weeks were very hectic. So my task was not completed within the 3 hours. So what I have done, I have taken 5 hours. So I have not read the 10 pages of the book, because I decide on the basis of priority. That is my point.
Yeah, that the correct answer. That was I am looking because the same happened with me also. My work timing is 9 hours 15 minutes, but sometimes it's 11 hours. Yesterday I was doing audit and there
Exactly.
was
So that's why, and at the end, I don't know about others. If you are sharing goals or you are writing goals, I have made Excel sheets. I don't know whether you have joined before. Before you have joined, I have shared. So in that, I am writing that actually I am highlighting that what are the goals I am actually completing. So after a week, it is a good thing to analyze that these are the tasks you have completed in that particular week.
Okay, so you are saving in system or on
yeah, I'm saving on the
phone?
Word file only, because on the WhatsApp messages I'm not able to find my goals also. So I am pasting on the Word document, and from that only I paste on the group. I never write goals directly on the group. I just copy
This is
from
also
there
a
and I
very
paste
good
on the
idea.
WhatsApp.
Yes, this is also a
Yes.
good idea. So I'll do from tomorrow onwards.
Definitely, Ridhima, like time management is something we have to work on. So we can have a session on that, how to manage time really well. Sometimes later or on any Sunday meeting or Saturday meeting, we can plan that. I mean, that is something this group is looking for. That's what I assume. I don't know. Like,
yes.
I think they are champion with time management. So you can probably
So before you close this meeting, I would like to thank you, Ajay, for today's meeting, and it was a good learning session for me and as well for the other participants as well. And please share the answer of that worksheet. And also, one of the participants mentioned for the last worksheet you have not shared the answer. So if it is, so please share it again. The last meeting you have discussed that worksheet, so please share the answer sheet in the group as well.
Sure, I will do that. Asutosh, I'm giving you one task right now. I just need a report of people who are not writing their goals on the group. Okay. Past is past. For the next 30 days, give me the list of people who are sharing the goals. Give me the list of the people who are not sharing goals, because I don't want others to be discouraged. Like if 10 people are sharing and 2 people are not sharing, others are getting discouraged. That is not my point, right? So if
I will do that.
You can get me the list and what is the they are not sharing, like what is the problem we want to help them, so that would be like really helpful.
Done. I will try and I will talk to everyone to share their goals on a day basis.
Yeah, not to share.
Ashutosh, please add that also, that people are not sharing their video or audio messages as well. Last Saturday also, last week and last week. So
I
just
talked to
add
them.
that also.
I talked to them, but not getting a response right now. So let me talk to him again, and
If
I will come back
you
to
are
you.
not getting response, I should be knowing that. Okay, all right. You are doing
That I will.
Yeah, you are doing work for all their benefit, not for your benefit. Okay.
You're right,
If
right, right.
somebody is not sounding right to you, that
Ajay, can we do one thing? If because I'm not very familiar with this all members and all. If somebody is not doing or somebody is not means he is hesitating by self to sharing his video and all. So can we do one-on-one session with him? That would be fine.
Ridhima, we can do one-on-one, but again, like it will be too much of extra work for us also. What do you think for today?
Like
Like,
Ridhima, we are
Not
doing
like
it
you,
like
not
They are
like
not
you,
responding
who is
to
our
Ashutosh first. They have to respond.
yeah,
who is
okay.
mentors of them, who can do talk with them where they
Uh,
are lacking and where
Ri-
they have any issues. So for small topics, for 2-3 lines, somebody is not able to pronounce something. So at that time they hesitate to speak on camera. So that's the issue, I think. So
and
for 2-3 lines we can write and try to they'll write, because if every time we are sharing their speeches, that's not gonna benefit for them.
Ridhima, actually, we are doing that, but the problem is if they pick up a call and they can listen our words, then only we can guide them in a better way.
Right,
The
right.
problem is that is the problem.
Don't be too soft. If somebody is not responding you, let me know. Okay, let me know. Don't need to hide or something. I'm not like we
No,
are.
actually, I am trying. I don't want to lose anyone here. Whoever joined, I want him to come here and join the group. That's why I'm trying my best.
No, you are. I
It's
know.
my personality. It's also my responsibility not to not to encourage everyone. So
Yeah.
let me try once. And if I found no, they are not, he and she are not giving response on a time, then I will let you know. But
Yeah,
right now,
If
I need
somebody
some
is
more time.
not if somebody is not responding, how you can encouraging? You can
Like for
send a message
messaging,
if
message, calls, then emails, then sending some voice messages. So that works sometime.
if somebody is not
So
responding your message now, then he won't be go with your mails and all. Would you like? would you think?
this is out about the patience.
Ashutosh, for the next 30 days, don't call anybody. Just have a conversation with them and them to share the goals and see what happens in 30 days. All right.
Right.
Then tell
That.
me how many people are sharing the goals, how many are not. Then we can decide.
Okay. Done.
Then
Done.
we can decide that. And to Ridhima, to your question, mentor will talk to them. Mentors are not sharing the goals here in this group. Like then how, if you are a mentor, if you are not sharing the
So
goals,
here is one solution more. If somebody is not sharing or he is doing mentoring for other person, there should be a punishment for transfer some amount to you. That would be a good punishment, because in my school I'm getting these kind of, if you will speak in English, you have to find 5 rupees. So you can find 100 rupees if somebody is not sharing his goal.
yeah, that's what I told. Like I spent 4 hours to prepare for this session. I don't know how many of you know that it took me 4 hours to come up with all the ideas, right? And I can request all of you, and if you listen, it's fine. If not, then I don't care, to be honest with you. Like I know that I am somebody who has undying learning attitude. So if Kiran will talk to me for 2 minutes, I will get idea and I will implement it. I will not write a big script and say that do this, do that, and I will not do it. I mean, I'm not somebody like that, right? And I mean, whatever I did, I brought Kiran for 1 hour, and nobody can do it for you, to be honest with you, in India.
Right.
He can do bring a CEO of a company. Ridhima, you were not there. He's a CEO of a company. He's running a company of 100 employees. I invite him to the platform. So you can imagine, like, how broad we are thinking. And and then after that also, like people are not sharing. Then what we can do, right? We
Because
are.
you can't change person now. Every time you can't change person. Here, if you are chasing again and again, then that person will take you for granted. I think it's my set of mind, because once,
Yeah,
twice,
exactly. I agree with you, Radhima, on this point.
yeah, once, twice we can try, but after that, if you are chasing, start chasing and changing and changing, then is it maybe it's his benefit or her benefit, but here we are not here to do our benefit. We are here to do their benefit. If they are not understand, then leave that person.
I think Ajay, for the next Saturday or session, we can take a session for like if you are having an education session, it will be a 45 minutes or 40 minutes. For the rest 20 minutes, we can have this feedback of, as I discussed with you also, about the mentees and all, how they are performing. So how are they comfort, because it's already more than 1 month. So are they?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
It is the problem with mentors also. Mentees are, because some of the people in the group, they are like Ashutosh, mentees are not responding. So now it is not responsibility of the mentor all the time to like call and also. It should be a vice versa process. So we can take a session on that also. Right? So it should be a good relationship between both the mentor and mentee.
Yeah, that is true. Pallavi, we can do that, but again, as a leader, we have to set the right example. If we are not sharing our goal for every day, then we don't have we can't encourage others to share the goal. Exactly the same answer I got from one member. I was like shocked. It will be like, you senior guys are not sharing the goal. Why you can? And I was like, how should I respond? Should I mean, hey, I told. I just simply
senior guys are presenting chapter in such a good way, and you are not even attending the education. These are the important sessions. Last Saturday I missed my session, but honestly I have watched the same video. So it should be like me and Ashutosh have discussed a lot about a lot of people and all there. So you cannot imagine, Ashutosh, you can share the chat screenshots to Ajay as well, and all. What are the calls you have made? So it is very easy to give excuses, no? That's why in a way that people are
you socked Ajay. You socked the excuses which is coming now. You socked by the excuses.
I was like, hey, I'm sharing every day without fail, and how you can that member, I didn't like it. It was like pointing on me. I was like, hey, have I not shared my goal? So that was the conversation. I think we are running out of time, and thanks everybody for joining, and we'll see you tomorrow. Okay. Have a good night for everybody, and thank you again.
Thank you,
Ajay. Thank you, everyone.